water glassed eggs. 2 quarts for every 1 ounce of pickled lime. Goes into nice cold water. You put your pointed eggs down into the water, into the jar. Close up your jar and then put your jars in a cold area. Mine's going to be in the root cellar. So let's go. And we got this over here. So let's do this. This, let's see, where are you? The pointy end goes into the glass jars downward. So anything that floats, you're going to have to get it out of there. Make sure the egg is relatively dry or clean. Okay. Hopefully during the winter months, when hens don't want to lay too many eggs, we'll be able to come over here and grab ourselves some fresh eggs from the summer. This is July. It's going to be 4th of July, I think, tomorrow. So today I think is the 3rd. I don't know, it could be the 2nd today. Not sure. But this is what we're doing today. Get these on the shelf, put them in the what do you call it? Root cellar. So that one's a couple more here. That's it for that. You can't see it right now because the you can kind of see it, I think. You'll see it when it settles down a little. But 2 more to do. And that's a wrap.